How to see drafts on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily see the drafts of your posts on Instagram. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you're logged in. And from here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a post. And from here, what you want to do is choose a new post that you want to make and then tap on next. And after you give it a caption or anything, then you can just go ahead and tap on the back button right here. Instead of posting, you can just go back like this and you have an option to save draft. So once you tap on save draft, it will be saved to your draft. So you first have to just head over to your drafts right here on the top, and you'll see all of your previous drafts here as well. And once that is done, you can simply go ahead and choose the draft that you want to edit again, and then you can simply post it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next video.